Hello everybody, it's Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So a couple of days ago I did a poll on YouTube asking you if you wanted to see a real life cleaning video or if you wanted me to speed it up. And you guys said you wanted to see a real life video. So this is me doing a quick clean up after dinner of the living room, dining room area and the kitchen. This is what I usually do every evening and it takes me about 15 minutes and you guys are about to see it. So first of all, I start picking up all the toys, putting all the toys away. I also take all the plates, cups, anything that needs to be washed or belongs in the kitchen. I then put it together and take it all into the kitchen as well. I don't know about you, but this heat has been driving me nuts. You guys know that I do not like hot weather, so I find that I have not been cooking much. I've been getting a lot of salads and like cooked chickens and easy quick meals that you don't actually have to cook, to put it out on the table for myself and my family, and just spend most of the time outside in our front garden where it's completely shaded after 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's easy and relaxing. So here I am, just like I said to you guys, tidying up, and as you can see it's already looking 100% better. I just put back all the stuff that Alex moves around during the day. Put a candle on. I actually don't tend to put many candles on in the summer, but it was fairly cool, not cold but cool, so I thought yes, I'll put a little candle on and it will just make it a little bit nicer smelling. You can see loads of toys everywhere and bottles. So now you guys are seeing me just move around without speeding up the video at all, and again, like I said before, it takes me about 15 minutes to get the living room and the kitchen back into shape. There's always stuff everywhere. I'm going to take everything into the kitchen. Now I'm going to sort out the sofa, give it a quick vacuum. Alex eats a lot of his snacks on the sofa and there's always crumbs, but I'm still loving my Dyson, my cordless Dyson, and I just give it a quick vacuum and it's done within minutes. Feels really weird to not see me moving a lot quicker. Just makes me realize how slow I actually move. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please make sure to let me know in the comments if you want to see more stuff like this or if you'd rather me speed up the video. Now this is not a super intense vacuuming. I've already vacuumed this morning. This is more a catching all the like crumbs and dust that's come in throughout the day. So this is what my kitchen looks like. It's not horrendous, but I'm gonna quickly put everything away, tidy it up. Because it wasn't so hot today, I actually did a little bit of baking. I did our favorite carrot cakes. If you follow me for a while, you know that carrot cakes are a huge thing in our house. We love it. So I'm just gonna wipe down all the counters. I like moving everything towards the sink area and cleaning everything as I go around to the sink. And then I load the dishwasher, and then everything that's left can be washed. I do like cleaning up as I'm cooking. So as you can see on the side, there's stuff that I've already washed. I'm going to put all the carrot cakes into this little container. It will keep any flies or anything off it, and it looks pretty as well. Again, like I said before, putting everything away and everything towards the sink and cleaning as I go. And then the last bit of the kitchen that I do is the sink area. I don't know, it just works for me. I'm always trying to find the best angle to film. Sometimes I cut my head off while I'm doing that, and you guys can't see my head, but I think this one works out okay. While I've got a bit of time, just wanted to let you guys know, if you are new to my channel, we are about to move house. We have less than a month left. So if you would like to see how I decorate, the move, everything like that, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bells so you don't miss out every time one of my videos comes out. Okay, so now everything is on the side by the sink. I'll empty all the food into that little food bin, and then, like I said to you guys, I'll load everything up into the dishwasher and then just hand wash anything that can't go in the dishwasher. Or in this case, I think the dishwasher was quite full. So yeah, I just find that really works for me and it's easy, but I know that not everyone does that because one of my friends has asked me before, why do you do that? It's what it works for me. Let me know if any of you does that. So the washing up is done and I'm just doing the final cleaning of the counters and I'm pretty much done, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Keep watching till the end. Oh, check out my new caddy. You guys might have seen that in my TK Maxx haul. If you haven't, I'll link it above for you to see. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and remember, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.